Main phenomenon of professionalism. New Kubota DC-70 Pro Series Combine Harvester. Leave it to the professionals. Meets all the needs of a true professional. Harvest with complete confidence in performance. Comes with a set of massage cabinet nets longer than 90 millimeters. Sieve mesh has a length of 1,375 millimeters. Helps improve impurity separation. Increase the distance between heatsink fins. Helps dissipate heat better. And minimize the problem of dust accumulating around the heatsink. Easy to use, nimble like a pro. With joystick, built-in tilt wheel control function. Turn left, right, and lifting the harvester head up, down comes with a single lever. Full tank warning sound system. Minimize all spills. There is a fuel tank lock. Unleash the full potential of your machine with 69 horsepower engine. Comes with a 1-ton rice box. Add convenience like a pro. There is a new air-conditioned cabin. Comes with a 20,000 BTU air compressor. There is a light filter in the air-conditioned room. Leather cover for driver's seat and rear area. Protects against engine heat. And 2 USB charging points. To charge phones and other devices during the use of the rice harvester. And also structural design. Hydraulic oil cooler. Allows 45-degree tilt adjustment. Make it clean. Heat sinks are easier to clean and maintain. The cabin roof can be easily removed. Maintenance every 500 hours. Helps extend the life of the air conditioner cabin. Outstanding features of the Kubota Combine Harvester. Designed for professionals. Reduce the amount of rice falling. With hydraulic head with a width of 2,075 millimeters. With wheels that can be adjusted up and down independently of the hook. And coil spring hook fingers. Designed for good harvesting of standing and falling rice. Massage thoroughly to reduce the amount of rice stuck to the straw with 2-layer screen. The filter mesh can be adjusted for levels to suit each type of rice. Maintain clean grading quality. Minimize damage to rice fields. Designed to be lightweight. Helps reduce damage to rice fields. Enhance your promotions with different harvest types. Cassava is ready to meet all harvesting needs. Elephant brand corn harvester sold separately. Reduce the proportion of corn in the early harvest area by increasing the length of the blade to 1,000 millimeters. Comes with a new blade guard to protect corn. Prevents flowing out of the blade card. Reduce hair loss in the head area and corn harvesting equipment. Kubota DC-70 Corn Cob Twist Headset for truly professional corn farmers. Includes professional peanut harvesting. Soybean and green bean harvesting kit model BK70, BK7OG. To work efficiently and with high quality, enhance your harvest yield with Kubota's Smart Initiative. That makes everything easy. Whether it is an accurate measurement of the work area, record income and expenses from work or save work schedules. Kubota Combine Harvester DC-70 Pro Series.